It's like, no, they're mine. Give them to me. Give them to me. I'm gonna crack them like a walnut.
Now. Oh, you pissed him off.
I'm gonna crack them like a walnut. You might as well just let him go, man.
Oh, you're breaking them.
Oh yeah, he's going to.
Those are the bird's glasses.
Oh, he's got them. He's got them. They're finished. They're finished.
He's gonna fly away with them. He's so mad. He's so mad at you.
That bird's having a party. Here, bring it over here. I'll grab him.
Oh!
Oh, there we go. Now he's gonna attack you.
Oh!
Oh, did he get you in the face?
Yeah, he did.
He broke skin. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, bro.
that's
He
not-
just mauled you. Well, let me get that on camera. Bird just mauled him in the face for keeping his sunglasses.
Wait, hold on.
Took a pass at me.